I want you to want me, but you just wanna love me for the day.
Hey guys, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So basically today's video is just going to be you guys coming along with me for a summer day in my life, but today I really want to be productive and get stuff done because a lot of the times in summer I'm just kind of being lazy and my dad's laughing. And you know, maybe it'll inspire you guys to get some stuff done that you've been needing to do as well. So before I get into it, I just wanted to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know what Skillshare is, it is an online learning community with thousands of classes in the areas of business, design, technology, lifestyle, and a bunch more. Like always, I genuinely wanted to promote this brand because I feel like it's actually really cool and it's helping you guys and it's encouraging you to learn new things. You can learn to play an instrument, you can learn to draw, paint, how to start your own business, just a ton of cool stuff like that. I'm actually taking a little calligraphy class on Skillshare because that's something I wanted to learn for a really long time, so I'm finally doing it. So if you guys are interested, you should check out the link in the description, which gets you 2 free months of premium Skillshare, which is a really that's too many reallys, which is a really good deal. We're gonna go get Starbucks and probably breakfast or something there, and then I have to drop off some packages, and then I think we have to go grocery shopping. So yeah, let's go. I look like a bald man. Okay, I'm sorry. But right now me and my mom are going to Starbucks because we have no coffee at home because we ran out of coffee at home. So we're going to Starbucks and then I'm gonna drop these off at the post office. I have a little Depop shop if you guys are interested. I sell some of the clothes that don't fit me or just don't wear anymore. So I'll put it up on the screen right here, but my name is at Emma Nordlund on that, so you guys should definitely go check it out if you like cute, cheap clothes. I was vlogging in what you just saw, the little Starbucks sign, and I forgot that they have glass windows, so everyone saw me. And my friend Noah, shout out to you Noah, was working at Starbucks and he said that everyone could see me, so that's awkward. So I'm back from running errands and I've changed back into my comfy clothes. I got this really cute little sweatshirt from Forever 21. I just made a huge order of back to school clothes. So I'm definitely gonna do a haul soon, but I'm expecting a few more things, so I'm gonna wait for that. Something else that I wanted to do today was look through my closet behind me to see if there's anything that I can list on my Depop. I think what I'm gonna do is just keep recording this, try on the stuff, and then take screenshots of it because I'm too lazy to take actual pictures and I don't feel like setting up the self timer, so. Okay, so now that I've done my pose pictures, I'm going to hang them up on my closet and take pictures of them like that and take some tag pictures so people know this is an authentic IMG jacket. My room is just a mess right now with clothes everywhere, so I definitely need to put all my clothes away, so I'm going to do that. So I folded and put away all of my clothes, but I guess I did not hit record, so I do not have that footage, but take my word for it, I did do it. You guys just saw everything's put away now. Okay, there's a few cups over there, but I'll deal with that later. Another thing I wanted to get done today was going to the gym because I have not been as frequently as I would like to. I was doing so good for most of the summer. I was going like almost like every day. I'm going to change into some gym clothes and then I'm going to get a good workout in. Should I do the snap cut? Okay, ready? That was so dumb. Okay, I'm sorry. I just worked out, as you guys just saw. Sorry I didn't vlog much in the gym. I didn't want people to stare at me, but I did abs, and then you guys didn't see this, but I did legs, and my butt is gonna hurt so bad tomorrow. So I'm eating my protein bar. I'm gonna go take a shower because I am very sweaty, and then I'm going to probably make myself some lunch. So yeah. I have showered and I just did the stupidest thing ever. As you can see, I have my little Marie Badescu drying lotion on my face because a little breakout over here. I saw this one pimple. It was really noticeable, so I decided to pick it, and that led to me wanting to pick every other pimple even though they were not even that noticeable. So probably gonna scar there now. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some lunch. No, it is definitely too late for lunch. Dinner. I think I'm gonna do some edamame spaghetti, which has a lot of protein in it, which is really good because I just came back from the gym. Really good. It's just like pasta and it's from Costco, but it's made out of edamame, which I also love. The last thing that I have to do today, I don't want to do it, but I have to. I need to. I gotta do some summer homework. This is what I've done so far. I have like 6 assignments. I have done 2.5. So yeah, I really have to do some stuff. I did TOK in Spanish. If you guys don't know what TOK is, I'm in the IB program, so if you are also in the IB program, comment down below. We can suffer together. I have to do my environmental science stuff. I already started it, but it's bleeding through on the other side, so I have to start over. Because like, I know that's not really a big deal, but once I start writing on the other side, it's like gonna be really noticeable. Like my teacher probably won't even be able to like read it. So I'm gonna copy this over onto another paper and I'm going to hopefully finish it. So yeah, let's go. Alexa, connect to Bluetooth.
Searching.
Summer playlist video is coming out soon.
When I popped off, then you go
it for this video. I'm gonna keep doing my homework and then I have to edit this. So yeah, I feel like it was a pretty productive day. I got some homework done. That's a miracle. I went to the gym, dropped off my packages, groceries, breakfast, you know. I mean, you watched the video if you got to this point, so you already know what happened. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all next time. Mwah. Bye.